Hi everyone! Today, I'm excited to walk you through building a beautiful, animated image gallery using HTML, Tailwind CSS, and JavaScript. This gallery will feature cool animations and a lightbox effect, so it enlarges to full screen when you click on an image. We'll keep it simple and easy to follow, so let's jump right in. In our first step, we'll set up a basic HTML file. This will include a few things. 1. A link to Tailwind CSS using its CDN, Content Delivery Network, so we can easily style everything. 2. A container that will hold all of our images in a grid layout. 3. A hidden lightbox container that will appear when you click on an image, letting you view it in full screen. First, Tailwind CSS link. By including CDN in the head, we can access all of Tailwind's styling features, such as colors, spacing, and layout utilities. Next, Gallery Container. This development will hold our images. We've applied Tailwind classes to make it a responsive grid. These classes tell the gallery to display in one column on small screens, 2 on medium screens, and 3 on larger screens, ensuring a nice layout on any device. Then, Lightbox. The Lightbox div is initially hidden and only appears when you click on an image. The Tailwind classes here are fixed inset 0. This makes the lightbox cover the entire screen. BG black and BG capacity 75. This creates a dark, semi-transparent background behind the image. Flex item center and justify center hidden. This centers the image on the screen, and hidden makes the lightbox invisible until we remove that class with JavaScript, which we will do in our next. Next, we'll create a JavaScript file, script.js, where we will store a list of image file paths in an array, and loop through this array to dynamically create and display each image in our gallery container. So here, The images array stores the file parts of each image. This way, if you want to add more images later, you just add them to this list without touching the HTML. Then, we loop through each item in the array with for each, creating an img element for each one. Tailwind classes, we use a combination of classes here, ensures the image fills the container proportionally. Rounded LG and Shadow LG adds rounded edges and a shadow for a polished look. Also, added a smooth scaling animation when the image is hovered over, giving a zoom effect. The final step is adding functionality to display an image in full screen Lightbox view when clicked. To do this, we will make the lightbox visible when an image is clicked, display the clicked image in the lightbox, hide the lightbox when you click anywhere on it. First, getting the Lightbox elements, we select the Lightbox container and the Lightbox img element so we can modify them. Next, showing the Lightbox. When we click an image in the gallery, we check if the clicked item is an img tag. If it is, we copy the image's src and set it to Lightbox img src so it shows up in the full screen view. We remove the hidden class from Lightbox to make it visible. Then, closing the Lightbox. To close, we add an event listener to the Lightbox itself. When clicked anywhere, it adds the hidden class back, making it disappear. And that's it. Now you have a responsive, animated image gallery with a Lightbox view. This shows how powerful a few lines of HTML Tailwind CSS, and JavaScript can be in creating a beautiful, interactive gallery. Thanks for following along. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.